Magandang hapon po ng June 15, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 15, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, June 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasa para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 15, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 53 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 40.5 million pesos for Saturday, June 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 15, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.